Welcome to another edition of AUVSI's Weekend Roundup, where we call your attention to some stories you might have missed. Coming to you today from outside National Stadium. Going to be a lot of pandemonium down here this weekend. Has nothing to do with unmanned systems, but it seemed a fun place to do the shoot. First up in the news this week, Wing and FedEx have launched a drone delivery service. This is in Christiansburg, Virginia. You must opt in to receive flights from Wing, or FedEx, and companies that are participating include Walgreens and local bakeries and such. So the citizens of Christiansburg are getting a jump on the future right now. Second, Local Motors has been testing its Olli unmanned shuttle in Northern California in what's called Gomentum Stadium, which is the largest closed course testing facility. They're trying to help alleviate traffic in the San Francisco area, which certainly could use it. A drone has made a long distance flight in Norway, flying over 200 kilometers from Frøya to Rorvik, and passing along different types of civilian airspace along the way, and demonstrated that a mission could be carried out with the drone launching from one place and landing in another as needed. Sorry, I had to get away from there. It's not only a baseball stadium, it's an active construction zone. So the RQ-180, a mysterious drone that was first reported on a few years ago, appears to now be operational. Aviation Week said it seems to be operating with the 427 Reconnaissance Squadron, the plane is built by Northrop Grumman, of course, and it is taking on the high-flying ISR role of the SR-71 Blackbird, which is now in the Smithsonian Air and Space Museum, whereas the RQ-180 is operational. AeroVironment is going to provide 3 Puma UAS to the Border Patrol for $5.3 million under contract, both for patrolling the border and for humanitarian assistance needs. The company Workhorse has sold its SureFly flying car business to Moog, and it and Moog have also formed a joint venture to work on Workhorse's truck-based drone delivery efforts. So they sold the company for $4 million. And last but not least, just a reminder, November 4th through 10th is National Drone Safety Awareness Week. So there'll be hopefully many activities around the country in every state talking about drone safety awareness. We're going to have a link to Know Before You Fly, and be sure to follow AUVSI on social media, because we'll be touting that every day of the week with a different focus for each day, and we'll have a webinar each day, so you'll want to be sure to tune in for all of that. That's what we have for you this week, and we'll see you next week.